So what does that term winterization really mean? Well, to us here at Catco, it means being proactive rather than reactive when something goes wrong at the time. So being proactive can mean a lot of things. One, it can mean having a backlog of heaters, enclosures, or any other heating solution on standby. So if a weird event happens or another freak storm comes your way and equipment goes down and freezing starts to happen, you're ready to go. Take out the old thing, put in the new item in there, and you're ready to go. You can start it back up and you have none to minimum downtime. So we made 3 breakdowns on what to do so your systems are winterized this winter. So category 1 is if you're brand new to heating solutions. That means you have no idea what a catalytic heater is, have no idea what an enclosure is, or an IGH or any one of our products. Feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to walk you by all of our products, our heaters, our enclosure, our IGHs, and see what fits your system. And if you need something custom made, we'll be happy to create a custom enclosure for you to fit your needs. So category 2 is really referred to those that have some type of heating solution on their system already, but it's been a few years since they maintained them properly. So make sure that all your heaters have no discoloration on the front, no damages, no debris. Also making sure that all your connections have the proper fittings to them and there's no leaks to it. Or also making sure that all your heaters have the proper gas pressure going into them to be efficient. If you did all those things and your heaters are not really working to how they were out of that package, it could be time to replace them fully, or also replacing any type of enclosures that they've been damaged over the years, or any other IGHs as well. Category 3 are for those that already have some type of Catco product on their systems or any other heating solution. And for those people that are already ahead of the curve is to really just keep on maintaining your systems. Make sure that you walk around, make sure all your heaters are clean from the front, and make sure that there's no leaks or loose fittings on the back of your heaters or any other product that you have. So for those that already have some type of heating solution, you're starting to understand what winterization really is and really focusing and maintaining your systems properly. So at the end of the day, winterizing doesn't just mean buying a brand new product, it means maintaining your current system as is. So that means checking up all your heater faces and keeping it free from debris and discoloration, making sure all your lines and connections are secure, and make sure your gas pressure is reaching these heaters at the right pressure system. So here at Catco, we care more about being proactive and getting things ready than being reactive and just having an issue happen in the middle of a snowstorm.